Add some salt, a pinch or two. Stir it up, reveal in the spooky brew. It's a witch's brew, spooky and new. Learning Spanish words, here's what to do. Say agua for water, sal for salt. Stir it together, add a spooky jolt. Next, we add ajo, garlic so fine. Mix the brew smell in a spooky line. Throw in pimienta, pepper black and round, and stir it all up with a bubbling sound. It's a spooky brew, bubbling and bright. Learning Spanish words in the moonlight. Ajo is garlic, pimienta is pepper. Mix it all up, it just gets better. Come together, ingredients galore. Agua, sal, ajo, let's add some more. Piñata goes in with a spooky hiss. This Halloween brew you don't wanna miss. Now can you remember what goes in? Say agua, water, salt, and give a grin. Add ajo, garlic, pimienta too. We've made a spooky witch's